Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to start an access review for Azure AD directory roles in PIM. Well, role assignments become stale when users have privileged access that they don't need anymore. In order to reduce the risk associated with these stale role assignments, privileged role administrators or global administrator should regularly create access review to ask admins to review the roles that users have been given. So let me just go back to the Azure portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal and I am going to go to Home. I'm going to go to Azure AD Privileged Identity Management. I'm going to go to Azure AD Roles. Then I'm under Manage. I'm going to click on Access Reviews here. And I'm going to click on New. And in here I will review and global admin review here. So I'm going to click on global admin review, and this is the start date, frequency is one time, end date is this, scope is everyone, and under the review role membership I'm going to select global administrator here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to click on select, and reviewers, under reviewers I'm going to select myself. I am the reviewer. Okay, and once the review has completed, I'm going to click on the global admin review. So I am going to click on start here like this. So this is running the review here, and after this completes I may have to refresh the browser. Okay, this is done. I'm going to refresh the browser here. And when it comes up with the list, this is the review that I have done. So if I'm going to see the results here, when it pops up, it says not reviewed one. One user has not been reviewed here, because I am the user here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to approve or deny the access. So when as a global admin I approve or deny the access, I'm just telling the reviewer whether I still use this role or not. I'm going to choose approve if I want to stay in this role, or deny if I don't need the access anymore, right? So our status, the person who is using the role, would not change right away until the reviewer applies the results. So what I'm going to do is, in the PIM application, I'm going to select review access. So I'm going to go to the privileged identity management again. I'm going to click on review access here. Access reviews for Azure AD roles. Or resources. So your access Azure AD roles would come under this. And then, so since this is the one, global admin access, this is the one, global admin review. So I'm gonna go to this here, not reviewed is this. So it says owner is this, role is global admin. Remaining one, select the user from the list and approve or deny their role membership using the button below. Since I create the review and I will only appear as the only user in the review, so I'm going to select this checkbox. So this is because I am the user here, I created this role. So that is why if I click on view, if Isabella would have sent me this request, I would have gone to this review access and I would have clicked on approve or deny on the basis of my review access. So now if you want to complete an access review for Azure AD directory roles in privileged identity management, so the privileged role administrators can review privileged access once an access review has been started. Azure AD PIM, that is Privileged Identity Management, will automatically send an email prompting users to review their access. If a user did not get an email, we can send them the instructions in how to perform an access review. Like in here, if I go to the Privileged Identity Management console here and I click on Azure AD roles and I click on access reviews here, select the global admin review here and review the blade. This is the one. So if I go to reviewers of this review are reviewers themselves. So I am the reviewer here, so that is not showing it up. I can review the roles here as well. If I want to enable the mail notifications, these are the alerts that I want to send. If I want to enable the reminders, if I want to send the mail notification, and this is the require reason and approval. This is the scheduling I can do. When completed, this is the one that we can do here. So this is how you configure and play with the reviewer access in the Azure AD PIM. I hope this was clear to you, informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, any concerns, please mention them in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.